In this video, I'm going to show you how to use generics with wildcards to utilize polymorphism with collections. So over here, I have a project 22, generic wildcards, and it's got one package, it's got one class. In the class, I have a main method, but I want to add two custom classes, one which will inherit functionality from another. So go to your package, right-click, new class, and make animal. An animal class, right? So we have an animal. And animal is going to have one member variable, and I'm going to make it protected so that I can use it in my subclasses. So we'll say protected string name. Let's go ahead and make a constructor source and constructor using fields name. That's good. All right, there we go. And we'll make one method. So public void move, because animals like to move. All right, let's go ahead and put a print out, sys out, control space. I'll say animal and name is moving. All right, so our animal is moving. Let's go make our wolf class. I'm going to make a class here, call it wolf, and wolf is going to extend animal. There we go. So wolf, oops, I forgot to do my extends, right? Extends animal, right? So wolf is inheriting functionality from animal. Now, this is complaining because I made a constructor in my superclass. I need one here. So add constructor, all right? We don't need it to do. We're not going to do anything with that constructor. We're going to keep this simple. Let's override our move because it is in the animal, but we want our own. We want to say wolf name is moving. We'll say override public void move. Whoops, I forgot my curly bracket. There we go. System out. Wolf name is, oh, make a space, is moving. All right, so we can use name because it's protected, and this is a subclass of animal. All right, so we'll go ahead and save that. Let's go back to our app. Now we are familiar with regular polymorphism where, let's say we have a wolf, right? We have a wolf. And we'll call him Bill, Bill the wolf. Then if we get an animal, we have an animal variable, right? Animal. We can assign wolf to animal because animal is a more general version of wolf, right? We need an animal, a wolf will do. Can't do it the other way around without an explicit cast. But if I move my animal, say animal, move, it's going to remember that it's a wolf. It's going to know that, right? So it says wolf Bill is moving. That's why I put animal for the animal, wolf for wolf, so you'd know which one was getting called. So this is acting fine, right? This is good. But what happens? What happens if we have something like a list of wolf? Right, so we'll call that wolf list, new array list, and let's add a wolf. Oh, let's do Control-Shift-O to import our list. So we want the Java util list. All right, we'll have a wolf list, add new wolf. We'll call him Bill again. And then if we have an animal list, say list, animal list. You would think you could do this, but you can't. All right, not just like this. You have to use generics with your wildcards. You have to go like this. You have to have this question mark extends. All right, so now what can we do with this? Why do we even care? Well, let's say we have something up here that does something with any type of animal. It could be chickens, it could be wolves, it could be bears, but all those things extend animal. And you might just want to even pass in the raw animal type. So let's say public void, let's say move animals, right? Then we're going to have a list, right? What do we put in here? This is where we would do our question mark extends, I'll say animal. I'll call this my list. And we'll do a for loop with animal and my list, and move. All right, now let's make this a regular animal list. Animal list. New array list. Whoops. We'll add an animal to that. Animal list, add new animal Theo. There we go. All right, so we got a wolf list, we got an animal list. Look at this. We can use the same method for both of those things. Move animals. Oh, you know what we got to do? We have to instantiate our class though. App, new, app. And then we can do app, move animals. We could pass in a wolf list. We can pass in an animal list. Cool beans. There we go. And wolf bill is moving, even though there's an animal here, right? Everything is animal. This is very flexible. And animal Theo is moving. So if I was to extend wolf, like maybe there's a variety of wolves, say the black wolf or something, or the mountain wolf, I could still pass that in there because it extends, it'll go up the ladder. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and say new class, and I'll call this gray wolf. I don't know if gray wolf is any different than a wolf, but all right, then we're going to extends wolf. All right, now we need that constructor. There we go. Let's go ahead and just copy this override. Copy gray wolf, put it down here. Gray wolf is moving. All right, go over to our app. Let's cheat a little bit. Copy that. I should have done the wolf one, right? I would have had to change less. Gray wolf. I'll call this gwolf list. Gwolf list. Copy. Oh, I spelled gray wrong here. That's all right. I'm just going to change it here. Gray. There we go. We won't make it Theo. We'll make it Earl. Looking good, looking good. Let's change this here. All right, everything should be working well. App, move, animals, gwolf list. And run it. Look at that. Look at that. So even two subclasses away. So gray wolf extended wolf, which extended animal. We were still able to pass it in because there was a chain. There was a chain of extensions. All right, so that is generics, generics with wildcards, and I hope it was helpful. I do know that they ask sometimes they ask questions like this on the Java certification exam. All right, well, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.